In this video, I'll show you how to create a mysterious opening where a glowing cosmic style eye appears on the screen and reveals your video in a dramatic way. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the reveal feels powerful right from the start. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how your video enters the screen. Scroll through the animation list until you find Cosmic Eye, then apply it. Once applied, a glowing eye-like visual opens on the screen, revealing the video underneath with a futuristic and cinematic feel. Use the duration slider to control how intense the eye opening feels. Shorter duration makes the reveal quick and striking. Longer duration slows it down, adding mystery and atmosphere. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so the reveal matches your music or narration, and that's it. You've successfully added a cosmic eye reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.